build up cocktails, because of course, as you can see, basically what we are going to do is building up our cocktails. So pouring our ingredients straight away in the glass, finishing with this gently stir. That's it. We found a little bit more complex, but it's not, mojitos or rum and cola, Cuba Libre, or gin and tonic, apple spritz, Campari spritz, Americano, all these kind of cocktails. One lime already squeezed, that's how I like it, and one is optional after. The mint, never break it down, otherwise we are extracting also like the bitter part of the mint.
Like I said, a strong smell.
I put it a lot. But when I drink a Moscow Mule, I want it very minty. I love it. Pop up. What? Now, that's how I do the Moscow Mule. I go for 50 cl of vodka. We do need to taste it, right? And just topping up ginger beer. Alright. Another little stir just to mix up the ingredients. In this case, from the bottom to the top. Voilà. Wow.
On Moscow Mule.
There we are.